this is Sandy, and I have a new DIY box. I have the DIY Menthol Shower Steamers. I have mixed almost all of my ingredients together. The last thing I need to add is the menthol crystals, which I have already broken up into much smaller pieces. They were a little larger. I love the smell of menthol. Oh man. So these would be really, really great for this time of year when, you know, noses get stopped up, allergies. I know things are pollinating like crazy here in the North Georgia mountains. The trees are losing their leaves. There's lots of mold and mildew because of rain. So I've mixed all my dry ingredients together. I am just adding in the rest of the menthol crystals. And then we're going to add our wet ingredients, which include the essential oils, Himalayan cedarwood, and cardamom. Cardamom, I like cardamom. It smells really good if you diffuse it with fennel. Shower steamers get used in the back of your shower where the water can reach it but not really hit it. You don't want it to dissolve immediately. What you really want is for it to slowly dissolve so that you can, ooh, it's fizzing up because of the citric acid. You want it to slowly dissolve in the shower so that you get more than just a minute's worth of appreciation as you're breathing in the menthol and helping to open up your airways. So I am going to mix this together. So I need to be mixing this together so it's kind of like snowball consistency. And there is no way I think that this is going to be snowball consistency without a little more extra water. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get things mixed up and then I will bring you back.
A few moments later.
Well, I hit record. Something happened. Anyway, I got these into the molds and I had to work really quickly because it'll dry out and then they'll crumble and fall apart. So I've got them molded. They need to be demolded after they dry all the way. That's probably going to be at least 24 hours. I've taken some of the mica powders that were included and I'm just adding them to the shower steamer to make it pretty. All right, it's kind of awkward, but anyway, these would be really great as like shower gifts, door prizes, stocking stuffers, just a fun little way to share something nice, you know, fun for the shower. So again, it goes in the back of your shower where the water that's coming off your body and sort of splashing around in the shower is going to hit it. You don't want the direct water hitting it because then it will just dissolve right away and you lose the benefit of having the menthol, which will help open up respiratory passages. If you do have a breathing issue, you should probably check with your doctor before you use this, just because you don't want to do anything that's going to be detrimental to your health. That would be bad. But anyway, I am doing the Simply Earth DIY Menthol Shower Steamers, and there is a coupon code and a link in the bottom of this, below this video. If you have questions, as always, please be sure to leave them. I would love to answer your questions. I love Simply Earth because they use 13% of their profits to go to support agencies that are trying to end human trafficking. And you know, as recently as this week, there have been quite a few children that were rescued from human trafficking. There's not just children, it's adults as well. And yeah, this is great. So the DIY Menthol Shower Steamer Kit, please check it out, and I will see you guys later. Take care. Bye.